Okay, so this is how you move a pressed-in hub on Hondas, Escapes, Fords, anything basically with the pressed-in wheel bearing. So you're gonna get the front-wheel drive axle puller bolted onto the hub. Get your slide hammer. So make sure you take your axle bolt for the CV axle off, because if you don't, you won't get it off. And then you're just gonna slide the hammer, pull this baby out. Just like that. That, my friends, is a bad wheel bearing. That thing's in pieces. I cannot believe this person was driving this vehicle still. I'm amazed.